Have you tried catching a falling knife and it got absolutely obliterated? Did you actually blow your account up? Well, we're going to talk about how to catch a knife properly in this video. And you're probably thinking, Forrest, that's crazy. There's no way you can catch a knife. Well, I did just that on Friday. It's not magic. There's no special indicator or anything like that, guys. It's actually just straight up traditional TA, all the TA that I do and really all of my videos. But I'm going to attune it to this setup, which is a big sell-off. A big sell-off when you have a small ATR or average trading range, the daily range. ATR, just think of it as the normal range and whatever the current market is. The range has been very tight recently. So when we have a really big move, it can be scary and it can be hard to figure out where we're going to go. But I'll show you exactly how at the end of this video, I did just that and I actually sniped the price within just 2 or 3 points on NQ, called it out way ahead of time. And it was one of my better trades that I can think of in the last 6 months. Honestly, it was an amazing trade. I rolled out of bed late. I saw the setup, and one of my rules is that if you see an A setup, you got to take the trade. So I saw the setup, called it out. It hit beautifully.